Welcome to my little introduction to Beautiful Things, my online and art and life workshop. Is what it is a sharing of the beautiful things that I see in my space that I want to share with you, but more importantly that I want to share the practice with you of getting out into your space and really noticing the beautiful things where you live and where you are. So the first thing that I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you go outside in your world where you are and look for things that are blooming right now. What is blooming in your space? It may not be wild roses. It may be something different. It may be a little bit different time of year, or you may live in a different place than I do. And so the first thing that I want you to do is to go out there and find them. Look for what's blooming right now. And then I want you to take photographs. Take photographs with your phone, take them with a camera, whichever, but get lots of different shots and different looks at what is blooming right now. I just took a whole bunch of pictures of these wild roses today, and then I also want you to gather some petals, and we're gonna press those petals. So if you can get in a spot where it's okay for you to take petals that are blooming right now, just make sure you're not stealing the neighbor's flowers or something, but where you can, where it's okay for you to take some petals, go ahead and gather some petals. Even if it is that you go to your local flower shop and you treat yourself to buying your favorite rose in your favorite color, or maybe you have a different flower that you love. So if you absolutely can't find blooming flowers, go get just one special for you, and one that has petals that you can press, okay? So I'll look forward to seeing you back at the work table, but for now, go out and see, go out and look, go out and find whatever is blooming. Here it's pink wild roses, and gather some petals and some pictures, okay? We'll see you soon.